the PC into this conversation, and maybe he can take us in on exactly what happened here. Thank you very much, PC.
Yeah, we're standing in the area just outside Chesterville, where there was a shooting incident between the police and the suspects. These are the criminals that were involved with the cash in transit heist. We know that the much talked about heist that happened in Durban on Monday, this past Monday. It was a group of these boys that traveled all the way from Johannesburg, coming down here to commit these robberies. And they were planning to do another robbery again today. And they were disturbed by the police operations that were happening in the area as part of our normal operations that we're running in the area. And the unfortunate part is that when they arrived here and there was a confrontation between them and the police, and the police, unfortunately, they were fatally shot, wounded, and that's why they're lying down there. It is the good work, the credit that I'm giving to the South African police members. Those that were in a gun battle with them, of course, but more importantly, the members from crime intelligence, under the leadership of the divisional commissioner, who dispatched another team also from the head office to work with the team in KZN to be able to trace this suspect, and they continue to trace more. We give credit to them, because without this following up and tracing on information on them, we're not going to be able to locate them. As you can imagine, the place where they came and they hired the house where they were renting, it's very far from a normal public places where a lot of activities are happening. So it was a safe house for them. But unfortunately, they did not have cash. They had cash that they took from the heist, but they've got brand new clothes, and you can see they just went shopping after the heist that they had. The team still investigating in order to establish where did they keep the loot that they got, and the rest of the other firearms, and the rest of the gang that has been involved. But we are appreciative of the work that the police have done.